The Amazon Prime Day sale is here, and I thought I'd put together a quick demo to show you which set of JBL headphones have the best sounding ENC. So this is a demo for you in case you're planning on buying one of these. This is a very practical video, so you are going to hear exactly what these headphones can do in a very busy environment when it comes to carrying your voice over to your recipient. Anyway, without further ado, here's a quick demo with all of these headphones. So I'm calling you from the usual busy street that I do all of my call tests from to give you a sense of how much noise all of these headphones are going to be battling. Now, of course, there's a whole bunch of two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, trucks with pressure horns behind me, and there's construction going on all around me, literally. I've been on the camera microphone all this time to give you a sense of how much these headphones are all going to be battling. And I'll switch on over to the JBL Tune 770 NC microphone right about now. So this is the overall vocal tonality you can expect in this kind of situation. This is no doubt the busiest sort of environment that you can be in if you're on walks or runs in a very busy street. No doubt all of these headphones will do considerably better in a more controlled environment like at home or at office where it's not as bad. Now, according to the JBL website, this does have one microphone. So that does make me feel that it's relying a lot on any sort of software or AI algorithm that's trying to suppress the noise around you so that my voice can carry on over to your recipient. So this has been the demo for the Tune 770 NC, and I'll switch on over to the JBL Live 770 NC microphones right about now. So this is the overall vocal tonality you can expect with the Live 770 NC, and this does have two microphones, one over the previous set of headphones that I did speak to you about. Now, this is the overall vocal tonality you can expect. One thing I do want to mention is that all of these headphones have a feature called voice aware. A lot of people, when they're on phone calls, when the ANC is on, aren't too comfortable just hearing the people they're speaking to. It's not natural to hear your own voice played back to you. And all of these headphones do have that feature. You can go to the app and toggle between the different modes of voice where from I think low to medium to high. So you get a feed in of what your mic is sounding like. It's not just through vibrations in your skull. So this is something people have come to appreciate. Anyway, this has been the demo for the Live 770 NC, and I'll switch over to the Live 780 NC microphones right about now. So this is the overall vocal tonality you can expect to carry on over with your equipment with this set of headphones. This is of course a newly launched 780 NC. This comes with four microphones, which is definitely up from the previous two headphones. And this specific set of headphones does give you various options in the app. So I'll throw the screen up here for you to see. Now, when you go to the audio settings, you do have this separate call section here. Now, the sound level optimizer is pretty cool because if the person on the other side is too loud or too soft, you switch this on and it becomes a little more dynamic. So it's not as too loud or too soft. It should help with the overall sound. Then in the sound setting, you can change the tonal quality of the person at the other end. So if you are talking to me and I don't think natural sounds, clear enough to me, I can toggle to increase treble or increase bass as well, which is quite cool. Now, this is a feature I've not seen on any other brands in the market. Then in voice setting, this is something you'll be able to tell. The voice setting right now is on natural. In this, I can change my vocal tonality for you. So it's on natural right now. Now it's on powerful. So you should get a slightly more chesty sound, a little more depth in my vocal tonality with this preset. And I can go to bright as well. This should give you an increase in the higher frequencies and the upper mid frequencies so that my vocal tonality shifts. And then, of course, I'll go back to natural. Voice aware is the feature I told you about. So this, after I switch it on, I can hear my voice feeding back to me. Now, a lot of people do like if you have something like this instead of being completely cut out from hearing your voice naturally. And of course, I can go to mid and to high as well, and my voice will feed that much more. Now, the only disadvantage with this is yes, it will disengage active noise cancelling when it's on, and I will hear some of the outside environment coming into me as well. So I sometimes do like to have this off. It depends on the situation. But anyway, that's been the voice demo for the Live 780 NC. And I'll move on over to the Tour One M3 microphones right about now. So this is the overall vocal tonality you can expect with the Tour One M3. Now, this is their absolute flagship product. And by flagship, I mean it doesn't have four microphones or five microphones. This comes with the whole 10 microphones. So these mics, of course, are helping
with the active noise cancellation as well as the environmental noise cancellation. So you'll be able to hear that shift between all of these three headphones. You are the reviewer in this specific video, so you have to see which one's for you and which one you prefer. So anyway, one thing I will do is throw the screen up for you so you can see what I'm going to do now. I'm going to shift on over to the call settings like I did for the live 780 NC. Here, the sound level optimizer, like I mentioned, it's so that it levels out the voice of the person on the other end. Sometimes it's too loud, it's too soft. This should help with that. Sound setting. Now, this is something that will help me toggle between your vocal tonality when you're speaking to me. So I can switch between natural, increased treble, and increased bass depending on what sounds clearest to me. Voice setting. This is where my tonal quality will shift a bit so that you can hear me a little clearer. So right now it's on natural, so I'll shift on over to powerful. So this is going to be a little more bass enthusiastic with my vocal tonality. In fact, it'll be a little more chesty. You'll hear a little more depth in my voice compared to the previous one. And then when you go to bright, the upper frequencies, the high frequencies, and the upper mids will also get a little accentuated. So you can hear the overall enunciation and basically pronunciation of words a little clearer. So sibilants, pops, P's, T's, and S's will come through clearer and help you understand my voice that much clearer. And I'll switch over to natural again. Voice aware, like I mentioned with the Live 780 NC. This is a feature that feeds in. So I can hear my voice significantly clearer right now. In fact, I do feel that this is superior to the previous headphones that I mentioned. So right now it's on low. I can go to mid and high as well. But the disadvantage with this is that I am hearing sound coming in from outside. So I'll put that off quickly so that no very high volume pressure horn blows my ears off. So yeah, anyway, that is basically the sound demo for the Tour One M3 as well. And I do hope that this demo has given you a better understanding for all of these headphones. And I'll see you back at the studio.
So there you have it. That's been my demos for all these headphones. And if you've missed any of them, you can always go back and forth because I have left the chapters for each of the recordings down below. You can, of course, compare them to how it sounds naturally with the camera and, of course, with the headphones as well. Now, this should give you a good idea of what these will do in a real world environment. Whether you want to buy them now during the sales or even later. But I do hope that this video has given you a better understanding for all of these headphones. And I do hope that I'll help you make some sort of purchase decision. If you would like to help support the channel, I'm sure you know exactly how to. But of course, thank you for tuning in for some sound advice.